Egypt, a land steeped in history and culture, is now poised to take a leap into the future of transportation with the construction of its high-speed railway system. This ambitious project, spanning over 2,000 kilometers, will connect major cities across the country, transforming the way people travel and revolutionizing the nation's economy. These systems are to offer reduced travel times, with trains operating at speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour. Travel times between major cities will be significantly reduced. Achieve economic growth, as the improved connectivity will boost tourism, trade, and investment, stimulating economic growth and job creation, and give sustainability because high-speed trains are more energy efficient than traditional trains, reducing Egypt's carbon footprint.
Our current world holds many challenges, and we have no other choice but to face them. But change requires a step in a new direction, and this step always begins with a choice. Egypt has made a groundbreaking decision to create a 2,000 kilometers long high-speed rail network that will transform the everyday by connecting the country's economic and development centers. A visionary plan that is brought to life at this very moment to make Egypt the top 6th country for high-speed rail in the world in just a few years, and to give 90% of Egyptians access to safe, sustainable, and affordable long-distance transportation. Therefore, a masterpiece of engineering is taking shape in the production facilities of Siemens Mobility in Krefeld, Germany, to create a fully integrated turnkey rail system with trains and rail infrastructure, plus 15 years of maintenance services. In Krefeld, the regional trains called the Zero High Capacity are being manufactured with German precision and expertise. Every step is carried out with meticulous care. From design to assembly, from the integration of state-of-the-art technologies to the final quality control. And every detail is monitored to ensure that the trains meet the highest standards. The trains symbolize an advanced mobility solution that propels Egypt into a new era of growth and development, creating 40,000 local jobs. This collaboration between Siemens Mobility and Egypt is more than just technology transfer. It is a commitment to partnership and shared success. Because this is not just about trains. It is about transformation on a grander scale. Transporting goods more efficiently, like a Suez Canal on tracks. Commuters reaching their workplaces fast and comfortably. And families discovering new and exciting destinations. The High-Speed Egypt project is an impressive connection of technology, progress, and humanity. It is proof that visions can become reality everywhere.